Working on an iOS or macOS app and need to manage translation files? Strings files are at the heart of Apple's localization system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to edit and manage these Apple localization resource files. Don't close the guide if the strings file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. Strings. Files are Apple localization resource files containing key value pairs of translated text strings for macOS and iOS applications. Each localized version of an app includes strings files for supported languages, enabling the system to display the appropriate translated text based on the user's language and region settings. Apple strings files use a UTF-16 or UTF-8 text format with quoted key value pairs separated by equal signs and terminated by semicolons. Comments use C-style syntax. The localizable.strings file is the primary translation resource loaded by NSLocalizedString macro calls in Objective-C and Swift source code. We recommend using Apple Xcode by Apple Inc. to ensure proper reading of strings windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows treats scripts as text by default, so interpretation is handled by the proper runtime. To open this specific strings file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Apple Xcode is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If the strings file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, editing in Xcode. Open the strings file in Xcode, which provides a property list style editor with key and value columns. Navigate to the file in the Project Navigator and edit translations directly. Xcode validates the syntax and highlights errors such as missing semicolons or unescaped quotation marks in string values. Next, using text editors. Open strings files in any text editor that supports UTF-16, encoding such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Each line follows the format key, translated value, with optional comments. Ensure the file encoding is set correctly and all special characters within strings are properly escaped with backslashes. Finally, managing translations. Use localization management tools like localized or PO editor to manage strings files across multiple languages. Export strings files from Xcode, upload to the translation platform, distribute to translators, and re-import completed translations. The yenstrings command line tool extracts localizable strings from source code to generate base strings files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.